guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Junhan. Now today video is going to be very special because I won't be doing anything automotive related, but instead I'll be doing an outdoor DIY project. So that is building an outdoor pull-up bar in my backyard. Now the reason why I want to build an outdoor pull-up bar is because currently I'm using the pull-up bar which actually hangs on the door frame, but then that one is pretty restrictive because you can't do any technique or workout that goes above the bar like muscle up and all. So yeah, that's the reason why I want to build an outdoor pull-up bar, and I want to take you guys along for the journey. So let's go. Okay, first thing first, which is the location of where I'm going to put the pull-up bar. So initially I've planned to put it here because here's a very nice area, but then I realized that this lower ground, right, the back there is actually a jungle, so you're going to attract a lot of mosquitoes. So I'm not going to put on this level. Instead, I'm going to put it here, right here, because here you got a longan tree. So fun fact, this tree last time was actually replanted as a seed, so it's very small, and then it grew taller than me, taller than my brother, taller, and then you go all the way up here now. And the funny thing is, this is actually a male tree so that it has no fruits. But yeah, this is a nice space. So we're gonna put it here. So one post here, another post here, and then you go it like that. So sadly, this tree have to come off. But I feel this is a good position because this actually acts like a shade so that when it's very sunny, you won't have much sun shining, so I can do my workout perfectly. My current idea will be having two vertical posts, which is 3 meter long, but then 50 cm will be down into the ground. So basically, you're going to dig up 50 cm, you're going to put the post inside, you're going to pour cement on both the holes. So 2.5 meter will be hanging up, and then you got a vertical post which is 1.7 meter. So that's the current idea. As for the materials for the pull-up bar, there are 3 different methods. So the first method, which is using wood or timber, which I see most people do at the park. So basically they use 2 long timber wood, but then I feel that's not very feasible here in Malaysia because it always rains, and then who knows, it may decay. Even though you have a protective layer, eventually I feel it's going to decay anyways, so I've decided not to go for that. Now the second option is to use steel posts, which is actually very good because it's very rigid, but then it's very expensive. So I've did my calculation and all, so it's actually very expensive. And the third idea is actually an idea from my father or my grandfather. So basically, which is the one that we are going for, that is using a 4-inch PVC pipe, and then we're going to pour cement in it so to make it very rigid. So yeah, that's the current idea we're going to go for. Time to say goodbye to this tree. Bye. Okay, and just like that, we've gotten the materials that we need from the hardware store. So here you got 2 3 meter long PVC pipe. So this is the thicker version one. There's another thinner one, but I didn't get that because I'm afraid that it might flex when I do a workout. So you got 2 of this, and then you got this stainless steel one, which is 1 inch long. Now normally calisthenics, if I'm not mistaken, the optimum one is 1.25 inch, but then 1 inch I think is sufficient enough. So this one will be placed between these 2, and then you also have these caps which sits on top. So just go in like that. You got 2. Yep, and then this one will be painting it yellow instead of this, so to protect it and make it look nice as well. Now you may wonder, how did I manage to fit this inside the car? I actually used the Avanza, which is our workhorse, and it fits just nice. So from the windshield all the way back to the boot. So yeah, we have also gotten 2 bags of cement, so 50 kg, so there's 100 kg here, and then you got 4 bags of sand. So basically this one mixed with the cement so that it becomes very strong, and we're going to pour it inside the PVC pipe and also use it for the foundation. Okay, I've done digging this hole. You can see it's deep enough. Now my brother is continuing with the second one. So after digging, have you found any treasure?
Yes.
What is it?
I found 1 kg of gold.
A root. Okay. Okay, so we have done digging both the holes, but we covered it with this blue sheet because we're going to continue tomorrow because now it's going to rain. The sky is very gloomy. Okay, it's actually raining. And we put this grill right here because the dogs can't see that there are 2 holes here, so it's like a booby trap for them. Imagine they walk and then they fall inside. So yeah, we put this fence here and we continue tomorrow. Since it's raining so heavily and you can't do anything there, so we decided to continue work with this one. So we're going to drill holes and then we're going to fit this stainless steel pipe inside, and then we see how. So we decided not to drill a hole here and a cross come out here because there's a chance that it'll be misaligned and the pipe won't be able to fit properly. So we decided to just cut a square here so that the pipe can just go slot inside on both ends. And another reason is because we don't have the proper drill bit. So this one is not 1 inch, so you can't cut. Okay, my brother and I have already done cutting, so now it's like that. So theoretically this one just fits inside as well. Let's put it inside, and then this cap just goes in. So I have to do it with one hand, just like that. Inside as well. Up. There you have it. And that's it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So we have drilled a few holes at the base of the pole, and then we put this metal wire across. This is to increase the surface area so that when you pour the cement inside, it actually sticks to all this as well, so to make it more stable. Ideally, you should use the rebar or a steel mesh, but then we don't have, so this is our only option on both sides. It's actually quite rigid, but yeah, let's hope it works. So we've done pouring the concrete on both sides. We've already put the vertical posts, but it's going to rain, so we're going to cover it up, and hopefully it doesn't wet the cement. We're going to cover all this up. Listen to the thunder. Oh no, it's raining. Okay, today's another day, so let's see how's the concrete. I put this yesterday so that it doesn't wet the cement while it's drying up. Okay, it's pretty hot. Okay, so we have already filled up both of the PVC pipe all the way from the ground up with concrete, so you can see it's all the way to the top. And then we also filled up the hollow stainless steel bar, so it becomes more rigid. Yep. So now you just gotta leave it for, it takes about 2 days for it to dry, about 1 week for it to cure at 70%, and then 1 month to fully cure. But of course we won't wait for 1 month. Maybe after 1 week, then we start testing this. you're wondering, this tape is just temporary because if you remember, we cut a hole here, right? So that you can fit the pipe in. Yeah, so we temporarily cover that until the concrete is fully dried. Then only we remove this. So yeah, the next step will be painting this yellow. Okay guys, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the outdoor Puaba project is finally complete. Let me show you. Ta-da! It just looks amazing, right? We painted yellow. Initially we were thinking whether you want black or yellow, but I opt for yellow because it looks more like a playground feel, and then it makes me want to do pull up more here. So yeah. And then this one, initially we wanted to paint it black, but then I scared if you paint it, the stainless steel bar, the grip may be different. So currently we just tape it with a silver duct tape first, temporarily. So maybe in the future we'll paint it anyways. So yeah, just look at that. So this yellow paint, we painted 3 layers. I think tomorrow we're gonna paint another two layer just to make it nicer. Yep, so nice. Finally, it's done. Now, time to do some pull-ups. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Bye!